Hindi ka ba nagtataka na kahit anong diet mo o bawas ng pagkain, hindi ka pa rin papayat? O lagi kang gutom, antukin, irritable, tapos feeling mo, bigat-bigat ng pakiramdam mo. Hindi yan dahil tamad ka. It is because of your elevated insulin level. Insulin is actually a good guy. Trabaho niya ang i-store ang energy from food. Pero when it is always high, kasi puro tayo kanin, tinapay, pasta, milk tea, chips, at iba pang ultra-processed carb-loaded foods, hindi lang sa isang araw, kundi araw-araw, ayan na, nagiging kontrabida na ang insulin. Your body starts storing fat non-stop instead of burning it. So kahit nagka-caloric deficit ka, your body is like, no, 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 keep the fat, baka maubusan tayo. Tapos, eto pa, high insulin triggers inflammation. Kaya, bigla ka magkakameron ng high blood, fatty liver, PCOS, mataas ang uric, brain fog, maradong ugat, at kung ano-ano pa. Naakala natin, iba't ibang sakit. Pero, iisa lang naman ang ugat, insulin overload. At alam nyo ba, sinadya yan ng food industry? Yes, you heard it right. Alam nila yan kasi gusto nila lagi kang hooked sa pagkain. In fact, nag-hire pa yung mga big food industry ng neuroscientists to hack your brain, particularly the dopamine hormone, even more. Diyan sila nakita eh. Kaya nila nilalagyan ng label na low fat, tapos ang kapalit, high sugar, healthy grains, good for the heart daw, zero sugar, pero sugar pa rin sa loob, nakatago lang. That's marketing genius. At ikaw ang biktima. Puro fake science and propaganda. Pero here's the good news. You can totally fix that. Just go back to real food. Yung food na intentionally designed for our body. Kung ano intended na gasolina, fuel ng sasakyan mo, yun ibigay mo sa kanya. Otherwise, hindi tatakbo na maayos. Less ultra-processed carbs, more protein, more healthy fats. Let your insulin rest. Hayaan mo siya magpahinga. Kapag ginawa mo yon, your body will start to heal naturally. Nang walang gamot, walang gimmick, just truth. So next time nakakain ka, tanungin mo yung sarili mo, is this healing me or feeding my cravings? Because you don't need another kind of diet. You just need to let your body do what it was designed to do, heal itself.